I used to spend hours every single week analyzing dense market data and drafting client reports manually. Today, I trained a custom AI agent to execute these exact specialized tasks for me in just one click. If you're tired of repeating yourself to generic chatbots, here is how you build an expert AI team that handles real professional work exactly the way you do. So here we are on PineFi. Now, PineFi allows you to train your AI agent on your own specific documents, including PDFs, manuals, and knowledge bases in a single pass. This document-based capability is the core differentiator from generic chatbots and prompt wrappers. The agent completely absorbs your specific context, operational standards, and brand style. It removes any need for repetitive prompt engineering loops. All of this saves massive amounts of time and eliminates session-by-session frustration. Now, you just enter what you want the agent to do, and then you have an easy drag-and-drop interface. So you can just upload any business document, like a report brief or training manual, and then you drop it in and submit. Brand analysis is all set up, and we can start the chat. Once we're in here, we have this professional execution and active learning. So the PineFi agents are built specifically for complex, domain-specific professional tasks like writing client reports and analyzing market data rather than just basic chat. PineFi is a top-tier productivity tool for professional workflows. The agent keeps its training permanently, so it works indefinitely without you having to repeat instructions, and it actually gets smarter with every single interaction. Users get better results using fewer tokens because the core domain context is already permanently built in. Now, we'll let the agent automatically execute the workflow using its learned context and standards. And there you have it. We can see that finalized document, high-quality output. So once you've trained your specialized agent, you can publish it directly to the community-built PineFi Agent Marketplace library. This library lets anyone discover and use specialized agents created by other users. Publishing your trained agent allows you to build an expert agent team while earning valuable rewards for your contributions to the community. Then copy it to the clipboard, and there you have it. Plus, users can earn a free month coupon for every agent they upload, up to a total of 5 coupons. So if we come back here, we can see all the exclusive offers, and then if we go into our marketplace, you can see the entire library of your published users. Also, when we scroll down a bit more, we can see some of the promotional offers available along with their pricing. So you can see here, it's showing you, 3 cents a day, £10 a year times 13 months a plus. So yeah, with those credits you can earn, you can see down here where those plus month coupons are, up to 5 total coupons whenever you've uploaded and published something. You get your new user benefits, and then you can see where you can connect with all the other publishers, share tools with the community, and unlock all the premium tiers for free. You've got this 3 cents a day, £10 for a full year, 13 months a plus, which is a great deal. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and start building your expert agent team today. Head over to pinefi.ai right now to get 10,000 free credits and a 7-day free trial of PineFi. Plus, if you lock in their limited time subscription deal right now, subscribing for 1 month unlocks an unbelievable total of 13 months a plus. This 1 month equals 12 months free deal is their strongest offer yet for creating a real sense of urgency. Don't forget to follow at PineFi_AI on X to stay up to date with the latest product updates.